Okay, guys, nobody wants to wake up to a morning like this, but let me show you reasons of why I do think this is a good place to enter. Let's just start here. Well, let's start with emotions. If you guys are waking up and you have fear, if you are frustrated, if you are kicking the cat, this is a cat with his little tail. If you took your boot this morning and you booted this poor little cat because you were frustrated, okay? I'm joking a little bit here, but it's most likely, guys, because you have too much money in your accounts. And what I want to talk about, what I did just talk about with all of our members, about a 40-minute video, is I really just got honest with you guys this morning, went over all my finances to show you where money is at, of why when these flash crashes happen and this market serves you up a fat red candle, 2 of them on Bitcoin, and you get frustrated in the morning, it really is a sign, did you properly risk manage? Okay? I won't go into the details of my personal finances here, but I did go into them into the future forecast. What I want to do today, and what I just did, and I'll give you guys a snippet of what I just talked about because you guys need to watch this, okay? February 25th, I just got done recording this video. This is a future forecast of why I do expect tomorrow to be bullish. Okay, this is not just hope for hope's sake, as I put a Telegram message out just to all of our members. There is zero reason to be hopeful just for hope's sake, so people just like your analysis. It's garbage, okay? What people need to be doing right now is looking at hardcore technical analysis and not holding on to hope because it feels better than having fear inside. This is what new, immature retail traders do, is they always find a reason to have hope, okay? Dogecoin has gone down well over 40% from its peak we just saw a few months ago, all right? Is this the actual top? Because I'll tell you guys, and I'm going to be very humbly saying this because I'm putting myself in this category, the bears so far are correct, okay? I know, Travis, the guy that's usually pretty bullish, they were correct. The trend line that has been holding true since 2017, every time we've hit this, we've seen cycle tops. Guys, it hit the top. We're going back down. The question is, what's going to happen from here? Because technically, guys, the bears were right. And okay, if you guys were a bear and you shorted at the top, great job, okay? What I want to go over today, though, is why could this right here, not for hope's sake, okay? Not at all for hope's sake, based off many charts, why do I believe this is actually a bear trap? I'm going to show you guys data from an 11-year perspective. Do you guys remember the chart I showed you guys here? Buckle up here, okay? On the future forecast, click this link, click right here. We've devised an algorithm that knows the exact price increase or decrease of Bitcoin for the last 11 years. And we plotted it out for the whole year of 2025. And we took the cyclical years of 2013 and 17, and we gave that to you guys in red. And we were able in 24 be able to track this of what we're expecting. The days that we were expected to see drops and the days we were expected to see pumps. Guess what was projected the last 4 days? A drop in Bitcoin. You guys want to know exactly when the pump is expected to go and how long is expected to go in the next drop? That is exactly where you access this on the future forecast page, and you click this and you guys literally get a PDF download, okay? That is in the future forecast at tradeconfident.io. I'll explain that a little bit later. One of the saving graces here, guys, that I see is the indicators that they're showing bullish activity. And if I had cash on the sidelines, which I don't, I'm fully in the market. We're still up $507,000 this morning. We've got $1.1 million in the market. When this TC market reversals indicator goes off, guys, it is because there is so much massive fear in the market. Look, guys, I know about RSI, I know about Stochastic, I know about MACD, I get all those. I've coded indicators for a living. I even work with Iskander, which you guys probably don't even know, which was the COO of TradingView.com. Okay, we're thinking about opening up a marketplace. I know indicators very well. The top and bottom finder comes with this indicator called TC market reversals. When this shows you green bars to the downside, we have seen massive moves back up. Start with a small one, 5%, okay? Marking the bottom here before a 24% move up. The green bar down here was on this wick here. I won't go to the bottom. 23% move up. Again, over here, I won't go to the bottom. We'll go to the candle close, okay? 20%. If you did time the bottom, which no one did, which I'll go even higher here, you're about at a 29%. The next move at candle low to structure high, 23%. The history of what is shaping up right now says this is more of a bear trap than it is a bear market starting. And guess what we've gotten? The strongest green bar that we have had since about August 16th. August 16th, guys, was literally the low before Bitcoin went on its massive tear over 90% before we saw a drawdown. Okay? I am not trying to convince anyone to buy the market right now, but when you see the market heading down this fast, oh, and by the way, Bitcoin perfectly just bounced from the 200-day moving average. This is a place where I think you guys are going to see people start buying around this area, and already we're starting to see moves back up. But what's interesting is that Bitcoin this morning is actually down more than some altcoins. So this drop was so scary for people that people sold their own Bitcoin. Because listen, recently, people ended up selling their altcoins and actually buying Bitcoin to hedge a further drop. This morning and yesterday, they actually sold the Bitcoin they hedged out of altcoins into to save their portfolio. So people, like I told you guys, people were going to capitulate if we headed down below this green line here. Capitulation, people threw up the white flag and said, we're done. I want to show you guys multiple charts. It's a 45-minute video, okay, in the future forecast of why, if you've got cash on the sidelines, I would actually be buying today. But there is one scenario that if we break down, we are probably going to $71,000, and we need to talk about actually selling some of our lower cryptocurrencies for myself to actually put up more buy limits, and we need to discuss a full plan of that, okay? YouTube here is great. You know, you get little bits, but I'm actually taking a full 45 minutes here to explain to you guys what I'm going to be doing and how to set up risk management. I think some of you guys will benefit from that. Just to wrap this up, guys, we have a couple charts here. I showed this in Telegram yesterday. I said if we break this, it's a free fall. And then the next level is literally 84,700 if we don't bounce here from the moving average. So come here, go to EMA, exponential average, and what we want to do is we want to click on this and we want to do 200. So everyone set this up. If you guys would like to watch this, go right here. Look at this. Bitcoin is exactly bouncing off this level. Now, what have we seen in the past? Let's do this a quick down and dirty analysis for everyone. When Bitcoin has come down to these areas, we usually see appreciation back to the upside. We saw it here. We can see it right here. Scared the heck out of everybody. Then we started to head back up. Over here, we saw the drop to the downside. And then we saw it over here again. We saw the drop to the downside to the 200-day moving average. And then we started rebounding back up. Why am I concerned about a drop lower? Because it's obviously gone lower in the past, but it has been a place of support. So if we do go back down, guys, where's the level that we should all be watching for? Well, it's this level right here. Let's take a look at the horizontal rectangle. Let's get this guy out. Anywhere within this zone, that's the support. Well, where's this zone? It's at $73,000 all the way down to about $69,000, $70,000. So this could be the next place we end up getting a bounce from. But as I showed you guys in the Telegram post the other day, we have a contending support line here at 84.7, as well as a 200 moving average in a bullish year, mind you. Now, if it was a bearish year like 2026, I would have been the heck out of cryptocurrency by now. I guarantee you guys that. But I'm not, because there's signs. This is an iceberg, guys. I'm going to show you guys signs from our algorithm that shows you guys what could be coming down to the day. I'm literally going to call out the days for you. On this day, we are expected to go up for this many days based off 11 years. When you guys have that historical data and you can download that PDF every single day, it really does help give you guys confidence of where the market could be heading. And that's what I want to give you access to. Also, I'm going to give you guys a free indicator and chart today on TradingView that you're going to be able to take out of the future forecast, actually place it on your TradingView charts and watch to time the next move up for altcoins, as well as time the next top for individual altcoins. I'm going to give that to you guys. It is a free TradingView chart. So I'm packing you guys with a ton of stuff, not to just watch and not to just maybe implement with your financial advisor, but to give you actual tools to set you up so your TradingView screen, the computer you're watching on, actually changes, because you're going to get a TradingView chart to watch these cycles unfold and help you time the tops and the bottoms. That's what I want to equip you guys with. That is in the future forecast. There's a link in the description. It says our membership, we're giving everybody 25% off for the first month. Snag that, watch the future forecast. There are trade setups as well that we've been calling out. We are 283 wins and 0 losses, as well as you guys can grab all the indicators that we're using. And as a member, you guys get crazy discounts. Jake will talk about this more, but real quick, you pay $50 and then we're immediately going to give you $150 off on top of the $499. The indicators that I'm talking about are the ones I shared with you guys in the beginning. These have called significant moves back up. If you're just watching well money flow being low, green bars, and trades in favor to the downside. And I actually do a small masterclass this morning on how to read these and time the next moves up to get good entries into the market. Telling you guys, this is where you guys excel. Instead of going into fear this morning, get proactive and understand what's happening in the markets and look at past historical data to gauge what's happening next so you don't get emotional. Watch the future forecast, guys. This will bless you. The links are in the description. It is the future forecast on February 25th. Watch this, guys. I'll see you there. Bye.